What's up, guys? It's your girl, Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is a long-awaited um, video. People have been asking me for this video for a while. And so I finally get around to doing it. And I thought it was going to come out differently. I thought I was going to have a strong answer, and I don't, honestly. So this is all about my 3-yard book collection. Which ones do I have? Which ones do I think you should get, and ranking them. But honestly, if I'm being 100% honest, they pretty much all rank the same. I like them all. I have not done every single pattern in every single book. It turns out I even have a couple of books that I haven't done a pattern out of at all. They're on the list, but I can only make so many quilts, guys. As fast as I quilt, and I can produce. And it's just me doing this stuff, guys. So I can produce. Trust me when I say that. But I still can't get to all the quilts that I want to in the amount of time that I'm given. I just can't. So with that being said, I'm going to go through. I have 11 out of the 13 books. I am missing the Fat Quarter Quilting Fun, which I'm probably going to need to pick up because I have some fat quarters and they need to go. So, and then I'm missing the kids book, which is actually one of my favorites. I've purchased patterns from the kids book. I like it. The checkmate pattern is in the kids book, if my mind serves me correctly. Matter of fact, I'm looking at, they give you this lovely chart, which is genius. Thank God they do this because I want to be able to keep up with what patterns I own, and they give you a chart. So I'm just checking the kids. Where's the kids? Yep, the checkmate pattern is in there. I like the 9+1. Love that. I did that with the Hello Kitty. Um, there are a couple in that one. I love this chart. So I want to say this is in no particular order, but it kind of is. But I'll tell you which one I would start with and why. And that's really the juiciest part of this, I think. I have these. You guys probably don't even know that these exist, art vases. And I'm getting ready to venture into the art vase world. They would be doing these videos and I would see the vases above their heads and I would be like, what is that? They're up there at the top, and depending upon how tall the person is who they're shooting, you might see them or you might not. But I've always been drawn to them. And then I was stalking Fabric Cafe because I do stalk them, and I found out that they have these books. They're hard to find. I think I got them off of Amazon. Love them. Haven't done a thing in them. I looked at them and was like, ooh, got intimidated and put those to the side. So easy peasy 3-yard quilts. I like this guy. I've done 2 patterns out of here. This one was the Barbie pattern that I did. I judged that one, and I think I did this one down here for the African ones. Town Square. Yeah, I did do that. I can't remember all the ones that I've done, guys, but this one has 2 in there that I like. It's called Easy Peasy, and they're cool. I think I've done this one up here too. What's the name of that one? What's the name of that guy? It feels familiar. It is Easy Street. Yeah, I've done. Oh, Easy Street. I just. Oh, I loved what I did with Easy Street. You guys check out what I've done with Easy Street. I love that quilt. That's the one that got donated with the monster quilt. That was the Mommy and Me. That is a great. Oh, this book might. I might. I might should have moved this one up a little bit, simply because I really, 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 really like what I did with that. This is a good one. I haven't done anything on this one. This is one of the newer ones, quilts on the double. Um, it's newer. I haven't done anything out of this book yet. Engagement looks cool, and I like that in their new ones they actually give you the name right there, because that was going to be one of the suggestions that I make, but they started doing that with the newer ones. Um, I like it. I like it. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Nothing has jumped out at me just yet for that one. Quilts in a Jiffy. That's this guy here. It's cool. This is my favorite pattern out of it. And remember, a lot of these patterns, they either show you one that is similar, or you can buy it by itself as a single pattern, which I really, really, really love. Oh My Stars is probably super popular around the July 4th time. Flutter. I want to do Crossroads so badly, and that's the name of this one here. That is the big one that stands out for me here. I think this one's called like Buttons or something. And I don't think I've done that one yet, but I think I've had my eye on that one. Other than that, these are cool. I'd like to try this guy here. Not that one. This one. This is a good one. This is a good one. Quilts in a Jiffy. I am obsessed. This is Modern Views. I am obsessed with this guy right here. Not this one, sorry. Wait, turn around. This one right here. I want to make that quilt so bad. This one is upcoming. I'm doing something special with this one. And this one is just kind of fun to play with color blocking, I think. I haven't done it yet, but I don't think I've done anything out of this one. I haven't. I haven't done anything out of Modern Views, but I do like it. And they're right. This is modern, depending upon how you use your fabrics in this quilt, and I like that. We're getting into the ones that I know that I've done several. So this was my holiday quilt last year. I did something amazing with that. I love the holiday quilt. I believe I've done this guy. They have a few different variations of this quilt. I've done lickety split. I've done quite a few out of this one, and I think I've done whatever pattern this is. I don't know what it is. I think it's corner something. Is it cornerstone? So Park Place, lickety split, garden path. Actually, I haven't done garden path. It might be on my list of quilts to do. This is a good one. If you are jumping in, this might be a good one to jump in with. Fast and Fun might be a good one. Well, we know that I did this one. This was a Disney quilt here in the center. And I want to say I did this guy over here too. I like this one. Again, I thought I was going to be able to rank this, like this is the best one. I can't. Because it depends upon how farmhouse chic. No, I haven't done that yet, but I'd like to. Country Fair, I feel like I have, but maybe I have not. I thought I was going to say this is the best book and this is not the best book. And this one, no, they all rank the same for me. I've done a couple out of all of them. And you can purchase a lot of these separate. And I have a lot of the separate patterns too. So all of their patterns aren't necessarily in all of these books. 3-yard quilts, pretty darn quick. This is one of my jams. Love this quilt here. And it's one of my favorites that I've done. I love this guy here in the center. It's one that I'd like to do. Actually, I like all of these. This one up here is not my favorite, but I might be able to find something to do with that one. And I don't necessarily love porch rails because if you turn them wrong, you get stuff you're not supposed to get. And so you got to be careful with that. Here they tell you, but those porch rails can get a little tricky. And I do like this one. This is definitely up there for me. Pretty darn quick. It's one that I constantly go to and look at like, can I use this for that project? I haven't. Heartland, I loved. It's a Snap. I think I've done It's a Snap. This is one that I would suggest if you're starting out. This one, and then I think, which other one did I say? Did I say Fast and Fun? This is definitely one that I would suggest. And this is my favorite. Okay, guys, Quick as a Wink is my absolute favorite 3-yard book. It has my absolute favorite quilt pattern in it, Soho. If you guys haven't checked out the quilt, it came out so pretty. I hate that I gave it away, but the person who I gave it away to calls like on a regular basis to tell me that they love it, that they're under it, that they're using it. It's the funniest thing. It's like I gave her an animal to babysit or something because she really calls and just thanks me so much for that quilt. So I feel good that she got it. Love it. I also love this quilt right here. I love a churn dash. Love a churn dash. I really want to do this guy in a different colorway. I want to zhuzh it up. I want to break down the colors of that. I think this is Roman Holiday down here. This is definitely one of my favorites, my favorite Quick as a Wink. If you are starting out with a quilt book, a 3-yard quilt book, I think this one has enough in it so that you feel like you're really doing something, but at the same time, they're easy and they're fun and they're quick. So I know I thought I was going to rank these and all that, but I just can't do it. I like them all pretty much equal. It just kind of depends upon what mood you're in, but Quick as a Wink is what wins for me, guys. If you guys have made it through, if you guys have purchased 3-yard quilt books because of me, please let me know. Tell the people, tell 3-yard quilts. in my mind, I want to build a wonderful relationship with them. I want them to know who I am. I mean, they know who I am because, this is all I do. It's a bunch of 3-yard quilts, but I just want them to know how much we love them, how much I love them, and what they do. I think that they have made quilting very tangible for people. I think they have got an excellent product that absolutely works. There has not been a time when something did not come out because of any directions or anything like that. It's just a solid, they're solid. If you need a quilt and you need to gift it to somebody, I don't care if it's a pet, a baby, a person, they've got you covered. And so, congratulations to them for coming up with such a stellar product. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one. All right, bye bye.